Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are starting from Surah Baqarah, ayah number 91. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا بما أنزل الله قالوا وَإِذَا wow, circle your lips well for to pronounce wow because makhraj of wow is circling your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. So these two things will go at the same moment. Wa. The first you will circle your lips, and for fatha you will open your jaws afterwards. Wa. Wa-i for Hamza gives a strong sound from your throat, and for Kasra give E sound. Wa-i, the two counts long, and makhraj of Zal is to touch the tip of your uh, tongue to the edge of your frontal two teeth. وَإِذَا قِيلَ of its heavy letter, and it will be two counts long because ya sakina qablaha maksur. Before ya there ya sakina there is kasra before it, there is there before it. Qila, lam is short. La, the second lam is also short because there is no alif to make it long. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips well. For every dhamma, circle your lips. For any letter has dhamma, circle your lips well to pronounce dhamma. If you will not circle, it will give any other sound but not dhamma. Hum, and give the wasat on meme because whenever meme comes with sukoon, it has tawassut. And what tawassut is? Medium flow of sound. Lahum. I'm not breaking meme right away. Like I'm not stopping very abruptly, but giving little time to pronounce. Lahum. If I'll break, it will be like lahum, lahum. I will stop right away. No, we shouldn't stop. We will give little time, like it medium flow of sound. This is why I say medium flow of sound. That is called tawassut. Lahum two counts long, and Hamza has strong throat sound. Me for kasra, give e sound. No, two counts long, and circle your lips well. B for kasra, give e sound. Ma for haraka long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Mad munfasil jaiz. When you find harf mad in the last part of the word and hamza in the beginning of the next word, because there is gap in between, because it's not in one word, mud letter and hamza is not in one word, so it has gap in it. It have gap. So 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 it will be mud munfasil, mud to stretch, and munfasil to because it has fasal, it has gap. And jaiz, you can do it and you can drop it, but we will do it, and we will stretch it for haraka. Bima Hamza is very strong letter or fatha. Open your jaws well for fatha. And there is noon sakina, and after noon sakina there is ikhfa letter. How we figure out that this is a ikhfa letter? Because we go through all the rules. Um, za is not among the letters of throat letters. It is not harfe ba. It's not hurufe yarmalun. So three categories you go check. If the letter is not there, then put it in hurufe ikhfa. So this is harfe ikhfa. Z. So you will hide the sound of noon. You're hiding the sound of noon because there is ikhfa letter coming up, and that is za. Za. And za, makhraj of za is very strong. It has safir, and it is pronounced from how you pronounce. When you brush your teeth, how you close your teeth. Close them like that, and put the tip of your tongue, um, and that is pushing the inner part of your lower teeth. That is the makhraj of za. Anzalallahu. So the lam of anzala will be light, and the lafz jalala, yani Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's names, Allah lam will be heavy. So make it very obvious. So anzalallahu, and circle your lips well for dhamma, and ha is from your throat. Qa is 2 counts long, and qa is heavy. Lu, 2 counts long. Why? Because waw sakina qablaha madmum. Waw is sakin and there is a page before it. Qalu. Both will be 2 counts long. Nu. Minu. Nu. Circle your lips well for dhamma. Hamza has very strong sound, and that is why it's strong, because the makhraj, the pronunciation of Hamza cuts the sound right away. No, no, me, me. There is kasra on meme. Give e sound for dhamma. Circle your lips on noon. Nu, me, nu, b. For every kasra, give e sound. B, ma. For haraka long. Circle your lips for dhamma, and then again ikhfa is coming, so hide the sound of noon. We are working on noon. Z, la short. A, ain from your throat, very clear sound from your throat, not from your mouth. A, lay, it's harf lean, give it a soft touch, and it will be 2 haraka long. Alayna, na 2 counts long. So the length of alay and na should be equal. Wa, circle your lips well for wow, and for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, yak, yeah, very soft sound, and kaf has hums. Hums is flow of breath. Yak, yak. It is part, kaf is also shadid har. So give a shidda first. Yak, first break down the sound. Yak, and then open your makhraj little. The breath will go out, and that will create hums. Wa yak, yak. First close the makhraj very strongly, and then let the makhraj open little, so it gives you the sound of breath, and that it will the breath will come out, and that will create hums for you. Wa yak, yak, fu. Circle your lips well. Ru, ra will be heavy. If ra has dhamma and fatha at the top, it will be heavy. So here the ra will be heavy. Ru. Saying ru is light. Ru is heavy. Don't say ru yakfuruna. No, yakfuru uruna. Na short. B, kasra for kasra. Give e sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Wow, for every wow. Whenever you say wow, circle your lips and don't use your teeth to touch the lower lip. Don't say that. It's a wrong way. So circle your lips well for wow, and for fatha, open your jaw. Ra, ra will be heavy and 4 times long. A will be short and strong sound. Who, 2 counts long. Wa, wow short. Who, circle your lips well and say who. It's not ho. Wa ho, no, it's not ho. It's who. Wa who. well, and then lam has tawassut, medium flow of sound. We will not stop lam abruptly. We will not say well. We will not stop the sound. We will say well, and this is called medium flow of sound. So every meme sakina, every lam sakina has tawassut, and that is medium flow of sound. Whenever I say tawassut, that means medium flow of sound. وهو الحق. Ha has hum. Qaf is heavy. And for Dhamma, circle your lips. Haqqu, haqqu, mu, circle your lips for Dhamma. For me, Sad, Sad is always heavy. Mu, Sad, Di, Sa, Sa. And for Sad, don't circle your lips for any heavy letter. If you want to make any letter heavy, don't circle your lips. The lips will not circle any letter, but it is the mechanism of your tongue inside the mouth. The sound becomes heavy or light, but not the lips. Lips doesn't work to make any letter heavy, so don't use lips. Lips are the makhraj of meme, ba, and wow only. So move when these three letters come, and move lips when there is dhamma. Otherwise, don't move your lips. Musaddi, dal is light, and make sod heavy, don't make dal heavy. Because when we have any letter heavy, we tend to make the next or the before letter heavy too. No, don't do that. So meme will be light and dal will be light, and the sod will get heavy. Musaddi, musaddi, qalli, qaf will be heavy, and attach it with lam. Well, li for kasra, for give e sound, li ma, meme 2 counts long. Ma, the second meme is 1 count long. Ma, a, ain from your throat very clearly. Hum, circle your lips well and give the wasut on meme, and that is medium flow of sound. Ma'ahum, Qul, qaf will be heavy. Circle your lips for dhamma and give the wasut medium flow of sound on lam. Qul, fa, fa has hums, and that is flow of breath. So give fa sound. Give me breath in this fa sound. Fa, fa, li for kasra, e sound, ma short, fa, li, ma. Taqa, ta will be light. Don't make ta heavy because of cough. Cough is heavy, not ta. Ta, taqa, taqa. And cough has qalqala. For ta, there is dhamma. Circle your lips well, and it is short. Taqa, two short. Lu, 2 counts long. Na, short. When you will come to and when you practice well to make any letter heavy, which is supposed to be heavy and which is supposed to be short, it is short, then your 50% of your tajweed will be inshallah fixed. So if you go slow on your recitation, it doesn't matter, but be accurate with the length. Taqo, two. We will not say two. Don't make any letter long which is not supposed to be long. Taqo, too short. Lu will be heavy and na will be short. So taqo, lu, na, so there is noon sakina, and after noon sakina there is ba. So we will change the sound of noon into meme. Bi, back there is kasra on ba. We'll give e sound. Bi, don't say be. It's not be. Bi, short, and e sound. Yeah, for haraka long. Allahi. Hamza is very strong sound from your throat, and Lapsa Jalala will get heavy when there is fatha before it. So there is fatha on Hamza. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name here will be get heavy. So saying law is heavy and saying la is light. So here we will say law. Allahi min qablu min. And the ikhfa over here is will be heavy because harfi ikhfa qaf is heavy letter. So when you there's heavy letter, the ikhfa will be heavy. Min qabl. Qaf will be heavy, ba will be light, and there will be qalqala on ba. You will bounce the sound of ba. Qablu. Lam will be short and circle your lips. Don't forget to circle your lips for any the malat. In ikhfa, light ikhfa, and for kaf, the ikhfa with kaf will be like ink, as you are about to say ink. In kuntum. This ta is attached with meme, and meme has tashdid. You will give it gunna to haraka gunna mu here tum, and then mu. Meme is attached with hamza, and hamza has strong letter mu mi. Kasra for kasra, give e sound me. Here it will be 2, 4, or 6 counts long because this is called mad arat lisakun, because there is a mad uh, on here, like this is mad letter ya sakina qablaha maksur, and there is sukoon, temporary sukoon here. We will give temporary sukoon here. So now this is mad arid lissukoon. Inshallah, we will discuss in next class. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.